Второй класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, наша школа, часть вторая, страница 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. English, Starlight 2, our school, homework, part number 2, page number 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 30. Our school. Listen, point to the food items and say, exercise number 1, color. Then point and say, eat tomatoes. They're good for you. Наша школа. Послушайте, покажите на продукты и скажите. Carrots, potatoes, peas, tomatoes, pears, oranges. Посмотри на картинки, затем укажи на это и скажите: ешь помидоры, они полезны для тебя. The answer. Eat tomatoes, they're good for you. Eat apples, they're good for you. Eat pears, they're good for you. Eat peas, they're good for you. Eat oranges, they're good for you. Eat carrots, they're good for you. Eat potatoes, they're good for you. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and sing. Послушай и спой. Rainbow food is good for you. Red tomatoes and apples too. Green peas, green pears, all for you. Orange for carrots and oranges too. Yummy potatoes, red, yellow, green. Rainbow food, a rainbow dream. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 31. Exercise number 3. Play the rainbow game. Сыграйте в игру «Радуга». The answer. Start. Green peas, an orange, a red apple, a green pear. Oh no! A yellow banana, an orange carrot, a red tomato, green peas, great, an orange, a red apple, a yellow banana, an orange carrot, a green pear, a red tomato. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 32. A sweet tooth. Exercise number 1. Listen to the dialogue and point to the pictures. Послушайте диалог и укажите на картинке. Hooray! The sweet monster. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. I love chocolate. Do you like lollipops? Yes, I do. I love lollipops. Do you like cake? Yes, I do. I love cake. What's the matter? My tummy hurts. No more sweets. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 34. 34. Exercise number 1. Look and match. Then say which are fruits and which are vegetables. Посмотри и сопоставь. Затем скажите, какие фрукты, а какие овощи. The answer. Vegetables. Potatoes, peas, carrots, tomatoes. Fruits, pears, oranges. Tomatoes, peas, carrots, and tomatoes are vegetables. Pears and oranges are fruits. Once more, please. Potatoes, peas, carrots, and tomatoes are vegetables. Pears and oranges are fruits. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Use the templators to make fruit, vegetable, man or woman. Talk with your friend. Используйте шаблоны, чтобы сделать фруктового, овощного мужчину или женщину. Поговорите с вашим другом. I'm Mr. Carrot. I'm a vegetable. The answer. I'm Mr. Potato. I'm a vegetable. I'm Mrs. Apple. I'm a fruit. I'm Mr. Orange. I'm a fruit. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 35. 35. Exercise number 3. Read the questions and write or draw. Скопируйте картинку в свою тетрадь, затем прочтите вопросы и напишите или нарисуйте. How many trees are there? Draw 2 oranges on each tree. How many oranges are there? Draw 3 carrots under each tree. How many carrots are there? Write 3 more fruits that grow on trees. Write 1 more vegetable that grows underground. The answer. 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. Apples, pears, bananas. Tomatoes. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.